Hi guys, this is Adi from Nolkar Outdoor. Today my project is just to duplicate the keys. So we only have one key here. This is Honda Accord 2006 2.4 engine. So on that year's the programming should be the same. So you can try it on your car. And this one is the new one, has not been cut it yet, right? And this one is the original one. If I already cut this, I don't need the original key. But since I have not cut it yet, I need the original key to program it. And this is new one. So the original one, if I press it, you can hear this is working, right? So this is the original one. This is the new one has not been cut it yet. Doesn't work. Anything here, all the button doesn't work. The LED is light on, so this means the battery is there, but it just doesn't work. So this key has 4 buttons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So lock, unlock, the trunk, and the panic button. So we need to press all of them. We program all of them. But the way to do it, I'm going to tell you first before I do it. So insert the original one, the key, so it can turn the key to on position, and then I press the lock button. Has to be the lock button. Press the lock button for 1-2 seconds, release it, and turn it off again. Wait for 1-2 seconds, turn it on again, and then press again the lock, and then release it, and I have to turn it off again for a few seconds. Then do the same thing again, turn it on again, and press the lock button. So do this 4 times. So after 4 times, you will hear the car will lock. When the car lock, this means it's done. But it's not done yet. You program only the lock button. In order to make the computer knows about all the code in here under your key, need to press it one by one. So after I press this one, you hear the sound lock. I unlock it, press the trunk button, press the panic button. Then after that, done. You can turn the key on the off position, pull it, and this key should work. Right now it doesn't work. All right, now put this on. Ready on the lock button here. I turn it on first here. So turn it on. You hear that? Press the button, release it, turn it off. So 1-2 seconds, turn it on again. Press the lock button, release it, turn it off again. The third one, press it again, release it, turn it off again. Now is the 4th time. Press. So you hear it, right? Unlock the trunk. So all of them you hear it. Now I turn it off, unplug it. This should work now. So you can see the here key. This is the new one. Lock, lock. This is the trunk. This is the panic button. Oh, the panic button doesn't work. That means I need to reprogram the panic button. But this one working. This working. This working. The trunk. Let me press for a few seconds. Trunk working. Only the panic button doesn't work. So I need to press another one again. So I will redo it again. This is to be careful. If you press it, right, turn it on. If you press any, this will reset it. So it doesn't work. They reset the code from this key. So do it again. Second one. Do it again, the third one. Do it again. The fourth one working. 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 Turn it off. So I'm worried this one doesn't represent the panic button. Oh, with panic button we have to lock it first, right? Lock it. So the panic button is working. Now the unlock it, lock it. This is the trunk. So now it's all working. So I have the 2 working key now. Make sure last time I think I'm not sure this doesn't work. or because I didn't lock it before I pressed the panic button. But just make sure when you press each of them on the fourth time, you will hear the key is like responded, like unlock or lock. So that's meaning this one is working. So again, thank you again for watching, and if you think this video help you in any way, please help me subscribe. It's just press the button on your right corner and subscribe please, and also press the bell, so next time I make something with the car, so you will be able to see it in the first one. So again, thank you for your support, and thank you for watching. All right guys, bye now.